This aircraft is so rare that they won't fly it. Well, this is the only one of these that exists in the world. It is in flyable condition, but they will not fly it because there's only one. There's a couple of planes in this lineup there like that. This is an Oscar. And this particular one, story of this airplane, this is the last known type LB Oscar left in the world. While it's restored, they're not gonna fly it. Too special, can't have anything happen to it. That's the definition of priceless, when you don't even use it for anything but sitting there. So what is this thing worth? 3 million, 4 million, somewhere in there. Interesting type of cooling thing going on around the air inlet there. I can get around to the back of her and film her again from the back side, but I'll go down this little row here. So this aircraft here is called Nakajima KI43 1B Hayabusa Oscar. So the Hayabusa motorcycles up to probably got their name from this. I'll bet you it means something in Japanese. I'll have to research that. Quite interesting cooling stuff going on inside there. Ooh, I gotta do an adjustment here, color adjustment, light adjustment. Oh, we'll pull it down, look at that. It looks fabric covered. The flight control surfaces are fabric, but the front of it, the horizontal stabilizer, is aluminum. Looks pretty fragile though. Nuclear bomb sitting in the corner. Because, you know, a B-53 atomic bomb. Back to the Oscar. This is a one-off. In 1940, the designers of the Nakajima decided to go small. They reasoned that the superior airmanship and marksmanship of Japanese pilots could make up for a plane's lack of heavy weaponry. That was not a good idea. Pilots who flew the KI-43 thought it handled beautifully, a great advantage in a dogfight. The plane's drawbacks were its light construction and small caliber guns. Nonetheless, the plane served in combat throughout the Pacific. Later in the war, the planes became the mainstay of the Japanese Army's kamikaze program. The American and British pilots often misidentified the plane as a Mitsubishi Zero. The KI-43 was assigned the Allied codename Oscar. In total, 5,919 of these things were produced. In this particular one, shortly after the end of the war, this Oscar was found in a dense jungle near an airfield on Rabaul. The fighter had severe engine and propeller damage from a crash landing, but it was being repaired by Japanese soldiers. It was created and shipped to Australia, where it was passed into the hands of many private owners. The Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum acquired the plane in 1999. This KI-43 is the last known Type 1B Oscar left in the world. While it has been restored to flyable condition, it has flown in the past. It may never take to the skies again due to its extreme rarity. And we'll see what the new owner says about that. Paul's the one that went and got it and fixed it all up and everything. But the new guy, Mr. Watson, he might have different plans.